Hey guys, it's me, and this is probably going to be the hardest Lego we're going to build. Today we're going to be building a typewriter. So you're going to need all these stuff. First, we're going to start with this. Second, you're going to get these 4 3x1s. So you put them here, right here, right here, right here, and then you get these yellow ones. There's no reason for the yellow ones, but we're gonna be using them. Well, we have to, yeah, I think. Then you get this piece. I put it on the wrong side. All right, put it right there. Leave one, and boom. Get this thing. Put it right there. Then you get another one. Put it right there. So let me wait for you guys to build this. So if you're done, you can pause the video. Put one of these 1x1s on each tiny corner. So after you did that, that's like the easiest step. You're gonna get these that have holes in them. So put them on each remaining places right there. So boom, now you got kind of a typewriter. So then, wait, guys. So you're gonna need these two. So you're gonna get this, because I accidentally forgot to include this. So you get these. Put them on each corner. Put that right there. You see? Then you get these, like 2 of these. Put them in the hole, and then boom, it's stuck. Well, not exactly. So you get another one. Put in the other hole. Boom. Now you kind of have like a keyboard. So then you get, wait, let me get it. I had to do something. So you get this. So you put that in each corner. Oh crap, I messed up. Let's put that in each corner. You get another one. And boom. So now you're gonna get, where is it? Oh, okay. So you're gonna get this, the ones with the little slides in them. Put them on each side right here. And then you're gonna get these 3x1s. Oh my god, I forgot this step right here. So you get these little things. So you get that, put it right there. Then put it in, oh crap, I messed up. Okay, put it right there. See, now you got like a little hole thing right there. And then you get another one. Oh wait, then you get another one. And then you get this. Then you get, oh wait, I forgot. So you get this, put it here, then you put it right here. And then you get this, put it right here. See? And, oh no, I messed up. So look, I forgot that one simple step. How am I so stupid? I accidentally put these in the wrong side, so you gotta put it in next to there. Sorry guys, it's my fault. So you do that. So you see? And you put it there. And look, you put it like that. I accidentally put it on these ramps. So put it like that. Now you got this. So get one of these skinny things. And then boom. Well, you're not supposed to put that yet. And then you're gonna get these buttons that are the keyboard. Just put that right here. Get another one, put it right here. Get another one, put it right here. Get another one, put it here. Oh, no. Then you get this, it's supposed to be a space bar. Boom. It's a typewriter, so it's not a computer, guys. Just remember that. So look, you kind of have a keyboard. Then you get the last two buttons. Alright, boom. After that, you're gonna get this thing. You get that. Put it right here. Now you got that. Wait. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to do this one last step. So you get this little thing, put it right here. And that's like literally it. So you get this keyboard again. Put it back there. Then get these circles. Let me get the other one. And boom, now you got a kind of working keyboard. After that, you're gonna take off the two pieces that these. So you're gonna get another one of these and put it right here so nobody can see the yellow. And boom, there's that. Now it slides. So now you're gonna get this slider thing. Look, it easily just slides in there. See? Just slides. So now we're gonna make paper. So it can look like that it's an actual typewriter. So boom boom. Scooby-Doo. Alright, now you got like this. See? It's kinda like working, but you're supposed to get the thingy-majigger. So wait. After that, you're gonna get these pieces again. Well, you don't have to do this because I think you already did it. Put those pieces back so the paper won't fall out because it easily falls out. So look, now you got kind of a typewriter. So get this thingy-majigger. It kind of types. I don't know why it's not working, but yeah. I forgot one last step for the keyboard. You're gonna get these and the other two space bars, but you're gonna put them like on each corner. Look, see? Boom. Wait, it's kind of stuck. Wait, guys. Alright, guys. After that, you put them in the corners. You're fine. Now it kind of clicks. Get this yellow thing again. And now it goes back down each time you type. So it's like a typewriter. It's really cool, guys. Look. Dear diary, I took a fat peanut butter I'm just kidding. I pooped in the toilet and it was the amazing thing in my life. Dear diary, the end. Yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. If you like this tutorial, yeah, it's kind of hard, so I kind of did it by myself. It took a while. I kept forgetting each step, and yeah. Look, it's typing, please. subscribe and follow me on TikTok. My face reveal is in there, so please, if you want to see a face reveal on TikTok, that's where I do my face reveal. All right, bye guys.